Drive-in style. This pre-owned 2020 Ram 1500. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, and has been fully detailed. It has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, and rear privacy glass.
We'll see you soon.